Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect MailerLite with WordPress for email campaigns. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your MailerLite account. Navigate to the integrations section in the dashboard. Scroll down to find the WordPress integration option. Click on the Connect button next to WordPress. You will see a pop-up window with an API key. Copy the API key provided in the window. Next, log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Go to the Plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to search for a new plugin. In the search bar, type MailerLite. Find the MailerLite WordPress plugin from the search results. Click the Install Now button next to the MailerLite plugin. Once installed, click the Activate button to enable the plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, locate MailerLite in the sidebar. Click on MailerLite to access the plugin's settings. You'll see a field to enter your API key. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the designated field. Click on the Save button to confirm your API key. Once saved, you can now create and manage your email campaigns. To create a new campaign, click on Campaigns in the MailerLite dashboard. Select Create Campaign and follow the setup prompts. Design your email and define your audience as needed. After finalizing your campaign, schedule or send it right away. You have successfully connected MailerLite with WordPress for your email campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.